Hey there, my name is Barbara, and I am here to give a shout out to my friends at Shop and Relax. Yes, they are my friends because they take care of my packages and make sure my packages are shipped on time, arrive on time, and come in perfect condition. And it is a privilege and an honor when you have a company that looks out for you. Their hospitality is great, and you guys have ensure that everything goes well. If my package reach and my shipping alert is not done, you guys give me a call or send me a text, and just the communication and everything is great. And because of that, I will always be shopping with shipping relax. And just want to say happy holidays, Merry Christmas when it comes, and a Happy New Year. I know that you guys have worked assiduously to ensure that like myself and other customers have received their packages in good order and on time. And so I hope you enjoy your holidays when it comes, and I know you'll be still working assiduously to ensure that persons who have shipped in time receive their packages in time for their holidays, for their family and friends. And so I want again to say big up Shop and Relax. Big up every time. I enjoy you guys' service. Yes, and the videos hilarious. But I pray God continue to use you guys to service persons who are in need of this kind of service. Customer service is one of the poorest thing in Jamaica, and you guys have a good customer service. Big up to management and big up to the staff of Shop and Relax. You guys have a blessed holiday.